Newborn babies are usually dressed in soft, comfortable clothing that is easy to put on and take off for diaper changes. This typically includes a onesie, a shirt with snaps or buttons at the bottom to allow for easy diaper changes, and a pair of soft pants or a diaper cover. It is also a good idea to have a hat or cap to cover the baby's head, as newborns can lose a lot of heat through their head and are prone to getting cold. In addition to these basic items, some parents may also choose to dress their newborns in other types of clothing, such as dresses, overalls, or sleepers, depending on the weather and the baby's personal style. It is important to ensure that the clothing fits properly and is not too tight or restrictive, as newborns are still developing and need to be able to move and stretch freely. Here are some more specific details about dressing newborn babies. Onesies. These are a type of shirt that snaps at the bottom, making them easy to put on and take off for diaper changes. Onesies are usually made of soft, stretchy fabric, such as cotton or a cotton blend, and come in a variety of colors and patterns. Bottoms. Newborn babies can wear a variety of different bottoms, such as pants, diaper covers, or leggings. Pants and leggings should have an elastic waistband or drawstring to ensure a good fit, while diaper covers are worn over the diaper and have snaps or Velcro closures. Hats and caps. Newborns have a lot of thin, soft hair, and they can get cold easily, so it's important to keep their head covered. A hat or cap can help to keep your baby warm, especially in the winter months. Socks and booties. Socks and booties are also a good idea to keep your newborn's feet warm, especially if you are not using a footed sleeper. Make sure to choose socks or booties that fit well and stay on, as newborns tend to kick a lot and can easily kick off loose-fitting socks. Layering. Depending on the weather and the temperature inside your home, you may want to dress your newborn in layers to ensure they are comfortable. This could include a onesie, a shirt, and a pair of pants or a diaper cover, as well as a sweater or jacket if it is cold outside. Just be sure not to overdress your newborn, as they can overheat easily. Overall, the most important thing when dressing a newborn is to choose comfortable, soft, and stretchy clothing that fits well and allows the baby to move freely. Avoid clothing that is too tight or restrictive, and be sure to adjust the layers based on the weather and the temperature in your home.